Solve the following absolute value inequality. We have an absolute value and we have an inequality, and I need to solve it. Key things to remember for this problem is that whenever you have a less than, that means that it's going to be an and if you have a greater than, automatically it's going to be an or. In this case we have a less than, so it's going to be an and, so I can cancel the ones with an or. I know those will not be a solution. Now to solve it, I'm going to rewrite it twice. Remember, absolute value, you end up with two solutions. The first time it will stay exactly as it is. The second time you're going to change it to the opposite. So it'll be x becomes a negative x, 8 becomes a negative 8, less than 4. And I can now solve it. Move that 8 to the right, becomes a negative 8. That gives me x is less than negative 4. I'm going to solve for the second one. Move the 8 to the right, becomes a positive 8. Negative x is less than 12. I'm going to divide by negative 1. Divide by negative 1. That cancels, so x. And remember, whenever I divide by a negative number, don't forget to flip the inequality, and that gives you negative 12. In this case, x is less than negative 4. It's right here. And on this one, you have to read x is greater than negative 12, but you have to read it backwards, because the x is on the right hand side. X is greater than negative 12. So therefore your answer is letter C. Now you can also rewrite it. Your smaller number should be on the left. Your bigger number should be on the right. X in the middle. X is less than. And on the second one, the alligator is eating the x. So you have to make sure that you place it eating the x. Or basically just rewriting it backwards. X is greater than negative 12. X is greater than negative 12. And that's how they end up with that solution.